Deep cleaning on Asus UX430U laptop. Thank you, Sir Dennis, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning on an Asus UX430U is a wise decision, as this ultra-thin laptop is prone to dust buildup and its cooling system over time. Since it features a compact design with limited airflow, even small amounts of dust can cause overheating, increase fan noise, and reduce performance due to thermal throttling. By thoroughly cleaning the fans, vents, and heat sinks, you help restore efficient cooling, ensuring the laptop runs cooler, quieter, and more stable during multitasking or productivity tasks. Additionally, refreshing the thermal paste can further enhance heat dissipation, improving overall longevity and system health. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.